Sir, are you busy? I wanted to ask you something. I saw some units of ACs and refrigerators in the workshop today. In addition to the tools you have showed us, I saw an operator using some other types of tools.
I'm very happy to see that you are taking such a strong interest in learning about your work.
Thanks. I think it's the curiosity in me. I consider you my role model and I want to become like you.
Thanks, Harish. It's good to know that.
Sir, can you please tell me more about those new tools that I saw in the workshop?
Sure. They are different from the tools that I showed you earlier, simply because their function is to carry out repair work. Some major repairs need to be carried out in the workshop, and to accomplish that, we have special tools called service center tools. Come, let's find out more about them. After completing this module, you will be able to
identify the service center tools, explain the uses of service center tools,